Welcome to Sydney Motorsport Park. World Time Attack 2023. Going to be hanging out with the Global Aircraft Services team. The guys have got Nathan Morecambe in the car again this year, and just to catch you up on where we're at, it's Friday morning, essentially day one, and the team was testing yesterday, everything pretty well going to plan, and then in the last session, unfortunately, they had a tyre delaminate. So that's done a fair bit of damage to the front guard, a bit of damage to the splitter and the side skirt. So a bit of a late night for the team, getting that all fixed up, and hopefully we can get out there for the first session this morning, and then we'll catch you up from there. Missed the first session unfortunately, but solid effort from the team, got the car back together, ready to go for session 2. So session 2, that's done. The car went pretty well, all things considered, getting it back together with all the aero repairs. Issue is now on the data, it looks like it's probably lifted the head, so back to the shop, try and fix that, and we'll be back at it hopefully tomorrow morning. It's about 11:30 on Saturday morning. The boys have been pretty much pulling an all-nighter to try and get the thing back together. It's been throwing them a few curveballs here and there, but getting close now, so hopefully it'll see the dyno sometime in the next hour or so, and we'll be able to get it to the track and see if we can't put down a lap. Back to the track, it's about 1:30, maybe 1:45. Just stoked to get here really, but regardless of the result, boys have put in a massive effort to turn the car around. hopefully we can get back on track and better the time that we've got. Car made it on track, only to turn 2. Looks like it's shit a drive shaft, so that's taken the wind out of the sails for a minute, but we've got spares. We'll throw another one at it and wait for the shootout. It's about 20 minutes until the shootout's on. The boys have got the drive shafts replaced. That's in, squared away, that's all done. Can Nathan do it? He's done it before, but regardless of where we finish, it's just a big effort to be out there, really. An all-nighter, all sorts of spanners thrown in the works trying to get us to where we are in the shootout. So anyway, we'll see where we end up. So unfortunately I didn't get a lot of footage after the shootout. It was just a super busy time finishing off what had to be done. We had to put the car over the scales, we had to pack up, get out of there. There was a bit going on, so no extra footage. But well done to the whole gas team. To finish second in Open after really only doing 2 laps all weekend was a massive achievement. The amount of effort that went into getting the car back on track was phenomenal, and something that was really cool to see. So for sure it felt a little bittersweet to not better the time from last year, but regardless, it's another podium for the gas team. Nathan's drove the car incredibly well given the circumstances, and there's more to be had. We just couldn't get it together with the weekend that was thrown at the team. So that's a wrap for this year's World Time Attack and the Gas EVO. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again next year.